So for this one, if we have 12 people are eligible, okay, let's think about this. There are two different possibilities. In case one, we have 4 people. And in case 2, we have 6 people. Count from here and the count from here. Well, we'll add them. So we're going to do them separately, piece by piece. So for case 1, where we have 4 people, we're going to have step 1, which will just be to select the 4 people. And we'll choose 4 ways to do this. And then step 2, now we need to assign the roles. And so first we need to assign the king. There are 4 possibilities. And second, we need to assign the queen. There are 3 possibilities for that. Third, we need to assign a jester with 2 possibilities. Secretary is only going to be 1 possibility because everything's been assigned. So overall, for case 1, the number of ways to do it would be 12 choose 4 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. It's very similar, right? Because I gave myself a template or a structure here. I can copy the template over, choose 6 people, choose 6 different ways. And step 2, assign roles. There would be 6 for the first 6 possibilities for the king, 5 for the queen, 4 for the jester, and 3 for the secretary. And so for this, it would be choose 6 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3. And so your final answer would combine these two. Your final answer, if you write it all out, would be 12 choose 4 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 plus 12 choose 6 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3. You all see that? Now, why do I not want you to write 4 factorial here? Because this 4 and this 6 are things that we could very easily change, right? So if you're going to try to simplify this, the next question asks, how could you take this and make it how could you write a similar problem that requires 4 plus symbols? So the problem how could you write a similar problem whose solution uses 4 plus symbols? Well, how many plus symbols do we have here? 1. Why? Why do we have a plus symbol at all? There's 2 cases. So what would we do if we wanted 2 plus symbols? 3 cases. How could you get there to be 4 plus symbols? 5 cases. So now let's look at 12 people. So y'all are good with this, right? So 12 people eligible make a committee with more than 8 people. I don't want to write out case 1, 8, case 2, 9, case 3, 10, case 4, 11, case 5. Too much writing. Instead, what I'll say is, instead of this being 4 people, if I just have a case of K people on the committee, I come up with a formula for the K when there are K people on the committee.